Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will learn how to make the yoke part of this frog. It is a theme based Disney Mickey Mouse frog and it is for a baby of up to 6 months. To start making the yoke, make chain 60. Here are my chain 60 and make chain 2, yarn over and make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 and this is the 4th chain, so make a double crochet here. We will count the chain 3 at the beginning as a double crochet, and this, the one we just made, is the second double crochet. We will make 6 more double crochets, that is we should have 8 double crochets in total. 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. After you have 8 double crochets, in the next stitch we should make the corner. For that, yarn over, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, yarn over and make a double crochet in the same stitch. So by making this, we have created our first corner. Yarn over and go on making double crochets. Now you should have 12 double crochets. This is the first one. Make 11 more. After you have 12 double crochets, we will make a corner in the next stitch. Yarn over, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, yarn over and make another double crochet in the same stitch. So this is the back part. The 8 double crochets that we made at the beginning is the back part. This 12 double crochet is the shoulder. We will make the front of the frog or the yoke. Here we will make 16 double crochets. So yarn over and go on making double crochets till you have 16 double crochets. 1 2. Once you complete 16 double crochets, make the third corner, yarn over, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, yarn over and double crochet in the same stitch. Next we will make the next shoulder. For that we will make 12 double crochets. 1 2. After 12 double crochets, we have to make the last corner, yarn over, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, yarn over and double crochet in the same stitch. So this is the 4th corner that we did, and 8 stitches should be remaining now. So make 8 double crochets, 1 double crochet in each stitch, 2 and 8. So this completes the first round of the yoke. You can see here. This is the back side, this is the shoulder, and this is the front side. Okay. Here we will attach a button to close it. This will grow now from all the 4 corners. So we will go to the next round. Make a chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Turn the work. This chain 3 will count as first double crochet. Yarn over, make a double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over and make double crochets till you reach the first corner. So we have reached the first corner. Here, yarn over, make a double crochet in the chain space of the corner itself, make another chain 2, yarn over and make a double crochet in the same space. So you will be increasing every round at the corner itself. Other than that, all the remaining stitches you will be making double crochets. So continue making double crochets in all the stitches till the next corner is reached. When you reach to the next corner, you should do the same thing. Double crochet in the chain space, chain 2 and double crochet in the same space. So continue this till the end. And also for the remaining rows you have to do the same. continue this till the chest region is reached. Measure your work. When you have reached the exact measurement of the chest, then you stop. We will see how to complete the yoke portion and how to begin the next part. Okay, so do it till the required length of the yoke. When you are at the end of any round, you will make this double crochet, and we usually forget the last one, which was the chain 3, and we just turn our work and continue. But don't forget this chain 3 here. This also counts as a double crochet. So yarn over and make a double crochet in the top chain, that is the third chain, like this. Now the row is over. Now you can see the edges are straight. If you skip that chain 3, the edges won't be straight, and there will be a decrease in the stitch count by 1 stitch for every row. So keep this in mind and don't forget the last stitch. Continue making the same till the required length. So once you complete making the yoke, this is how it should look. It is a square one with one side open, and the shoulder measurement is 3 inches. You can make it anywhere around 2.5 to 3 inches. And to see the chest measurement, place it correctly, and you can see it is 8 inches. That is, it will be 16 inches, but we want 2 or 3 inches more for the chest size. That will be done by adding the chains to join the two ends. While joining the two ends, which I will tell now. So this part you can make it more longer if you want a longer sleeve. I'm going to make a small design here, so I will stop here and we will go to the next part now. In this part we will join the parts together. This is the back part where we have kept it open. Now we will join it to begin our next round. So this is where I have completed my work, and this is the next part. Here insert under 2 loops. Yes, like this. Insert under 2 loops and just make a slip stitch, and you have joined the 2 parts. Now make a chain 3, that will count as first double crochet, and go on making double crochets till you reach one of the corner. Now I am at the first corner. Make a double crochet in the corner, in this space. Make chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make chain 5 and skip all these stitches of the shoulder part and directly join to the next corner by a double crochet. Okay, then go on making double crochets in all the stitches till you reach the next corner. At the next corner, make a double crochet and make chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. After you have made 5 chains, skip all these shoulder stitches till the next corner and make a double crochet to connect both the ends. Okay, now go on making double crochets till the end. Till here you have to make the double crochets. Now when you reach to the end, work your last double crochet, and this was the first stitch that we made after joining these 2 ends of the back part. So join with a slip stitch on top of first double crochet like this, and this completes your yoke. This is how it looks. Okay, now here you will be making the skirt part of the frock. You can start with any design or just continue with making double crochets. And when you start with the next round, don't forget to crochet in these 5 chains. Make 5 double crochets in these 5 chains and just go on making the any design or pattern, whatever you are following. So this is how you make the yoke. I hope you understood how to make the yoke for a 6-month-old baby. Now it is clear. If you are making a jacket, then don't close here. This will be your front part, and just work without closing this end. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching. Please comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Please watch the next part of the video where I'll show how to make the skirt part of the frock.